Hello everyone, this is Dipen Dikshit, Principal Designer of Design Radius. Today we are going to discuss about our residential project, the Opulent House. This flat is situated at top floor of high-rise building and having a river view from deck, surrounded with 7-8 high-rise buildings but well distanced with each other. The client is very young and energetic couple. One is a renowned pediatric and the lady is working for software and data programming for government sector. Both had very clear mindset that they want very utility based and resolved and less maintained space with a spark of beauty. They require 3 bedrooms with living, dining, kitchen and 1 recreation area. Therefore, we utilize the area as per need, not per space. We convert 1 bedroom in a home theater which was adjoins living and deck. We cut off the storeroom and gave a huge cabinet in the kitchen. In a house, concept we conceived are less complex, material are less processed and techniques applied are less tedious. There are 2 flats on the floor. We thought, why don't we create a common foyer with similar concept for both entrances. They like dark and roomy ambience for the foyer. So we change the flooring, apply veneer on wall and run ceiling design in the similar concept of main door. We provide low but sufficient light to fulfill the need. The flat is on the top floor of the building. Naturally, the place is hot in summer and chilled in winters. So we use more wood in ceiling to control temperature fluctuation in living area. We use travertine on the wall with the plush of Italian marble on the floor and polished wooden battens on ceiling as well as TV unit to maintain the uniformity. It gives simple and elegant look to the living room. We use single color palette through the common area to create classic monochrome feel and it enhanced by the unique casting handles on the common doors. There is a deck attached with the living room and have access from home theater too. We gave many designs to client for deck, but he fixes a mindset that he wants tiles and grass combination only. So we add water body to bloom this space. Home theater replaced with the bedroom as per the need. This room is well connected with the deck and living. So it's a perfect area to create any semi-private space. We want to design this place very unconditional way. Therefore, we do not cover all the walls with panels or any acoustic materials. We use abstract wooden battens with creepers in the back wall and use sound absorbing material on the photo frame for balance the home theater need. We made modular kitchen as per the client requirement. They want TV in the dining area and some display with storage. As we cut off the storeroom and create a big partition which contains storage, display, TV along with the puja and dining area glammed up with the hanging light. All the bedrooms have their own stories which reflects the user's resemblance. In children bedroom, we use leftover ply chunks as an embossed highlighter with dark tones of color. Room is small, so we keep other things simple. In the master bedroom, we provide unseen library door with the wooden battens. Flowing from ceiling to library unit gives longitudinal look to the horizontal room. We create solid grey paneling in the back of the bed and enclose the walk-in wardrobe door. That makes the space clear and tidy along with the wooden floor. We did the same thing in the father's bedroom. They do not want heavy paneling in the room. So we treat the TV unit with grooves on wall and finished with textures. Every section of the house is colored in pastel and blends well with each other. Use of natural materials, bright lights, soothing wall colors, comfortable moving patterns gives this place a mind-blowing comfort zone.